Hey guys, I know this may sound crazy, but here's everything I'm thinking about getting down the road. And we'll see if it's everything I need. If not, I'll go other places to get anything remaining that I don't have right now. And we'll see what these have that I have. And what they don't have extras of the stuff I have. And stuff that these come with. And other things that I don't have. 26. So it'll be a total of 954 pieces. But scrap the shipping and handling because I will not be needing that because I'll pick all that up at store. So it means I'll be spending that amount on the tool sets. And on top of that, everything I have everything I have saved in my list from Icon. And then the other things I don't have saved in my list from Icon, which would be all of their Drive G2 ratchets. And sooner or later they should be coming out with sockets. So that is everything from Harbor Freight. So hopefully you guys like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you get notified when I upload live stream, make YouTube shorts, and keep an eye on the community so YouTube makes future story, get notified when I post. Be that. Bye guys, peace. I'm out.